In the last video we handled movement. Now it's time to jump. First we need an input for jumping. So I'll go to the main menu, in project settings, inside the input map tab, I'll click on add new action, name it jump, and confirm. An action is basically a name we use in code instead of checking buttons directly. Now let's create the actual button on the screen. I'll click on add node, search for touch screen button, and create it. This node lets us trigger input actions directly on mobile. Inside the inspector, I'll start with a texture normal, click load, go to my textures folder, button folder, and select the button image. I'll do the same for texture pressed. This one is shown when the button is actually being pressed. Now I'll adjust the size. Under transform, I'll set the scale to 0.1 so the button fits nicely on the screen. For the position, X will be 1800 and Y will be 600. Finally, in the action field, I select jump, the action we created earlier. If I press play now, the button shows up and works, but nothing happened yet. That's normal because we haven't written any code for jumping. So let's fix that. I'll open the player script. First, at the top of the script, inside the movement variables, I'm adding a new variable for jumping. This value controls how strong the jump is. Because it's exported, we can tweak the jump height directly from the inspector later. Now let's scroll down to the physics process function. Inside physics process, I'm adding this block. This checks two things. First, the jump button was just pressed. Second, the character is standing on the ground. If both are true, we push the character upward by setting the Y velocity. Next, we need gravity so the character comes back down. Right below that, I'm adding this. When the character is not on the floor, gravity pulls it down every frame. Multiplying by delta keeps the movement smooth and frame rate independent. Now I am removing this part. This line was resetting the vertical velocity every frame. If we keep it, the jump gets cancelled immediately. So removing it is necessary for jumping to work properly. Let's hit play and test it. When I press the button, the character jumps correctly. If you want a higher or lower jump, just change the jump velocity value. And if you want to export this game and actually run it on your phone, check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one.